Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Brandon Chang. We have a great time on this channel, so please subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below and ring the notification bell so you're always notified whenever a video drops by. I know you're asking why I'm with all this, but this video is about this. It's about how to tie this, and you all know what this design means. It can be used as a hijab, and it's what people tie in the desert when you go to Dubai. So this is a perfect tutorial for you. You can save it for whenever you need it so you don't go searching. So guys, stay tuned and watch me realize this. For this tutorial, we are going to need a headscarf, and any headscarf of your choice is good as long as it's as big as mine that you see on the screen. So you just follow the steps on the video, place it on your head like so, wrap it behind, and cross it over. You take a part from what you crossed over and you twine it together. Twist it rather. You twist it to a smooth consistency. Should I say consistency? This isn't a mill you're twisting, but anyways, you twist it and make it smooth because this is going on our forehead and in front. So that means it has to look good and presentable. We pass it on our forehead like you see and tuck it in behind. And then when it's all smooth like so, you take the other part and pass it over your face and cover your nose and mouth. And this is perfect for the desert because it prevents dust from getting into your mouth and nose. And you tuck it in behind very hard, like so. And here we have the perfect headscarf tutorial, guys. So I just noticed it isn't solid enough, so I'm just gonna make it more solid and tuck it where it doesn't move. So make sure you tuck it hard so it doesn't move anymore, guys. Chasing waterfall. Oh, you got me. Chasing waterfall. Oh, you got me. Chasing waterfall. All of the times I've been there, times I came through. I'd meet you anywhere if it brought me closer to you. Distance is killing me, you make it so hard. Won't you let me